Hello and welcome to the online tutorial for the Corpsman Cache Manager. The CCM is a tool with which a geocacher can manage his whole geocaching life from downloading to logging. In this video I show you how to set up the Corpsman Cache Manager for the daily use. The CCM can run on Windows or 64-bit Linux systems. Before you can install CCM you need to go to www.corpsman.de and download the CCM. Navigate to Project CCM, scroll down to the bottom, and download both zip files. Open the download folder in your Explorer and unpack both zip files. On Linux systems, navigate into Setup Linux and run the setup.sh script. Follow the instructions on the screen, and wait until the script is finished. Now you can start the CCM. If you see the welcome screen, everything is fine. Fast forward to the wizard part of the video. On Windows systems, navigate into Setup Windows and copy all files within this folder into the CCM folder. To support POI export, visit www.xbabel.org and download the application. Install GPS Babel and keep the location folder for the binary file in mind. When using the standard installation, it is located under C Program Files Xbabel. Start CCM and close the welcome message. Enter a database name with which you want to start. Typically you use 3 databases: Home, Founds and Archived. CCM needs a folder from which it can import caches into its database. This folder should typically be empty and easy to access. If you want to get distance informations for the caches, you need to specify your home location in DEG format. To be able to do online stuff like logging or downloads, CCM needs information about your online account. Enter your geocaching username and ID. If you don't know your geocaching ID, open the Groundspeak homepage as shown. Test whether the data you entered is correct. If you have already found lots of geocaches, you can now enter your found number. If you want, you can modify the found number template that will be added to your logs. To be able to upload and download caches to your GPS, you need to specify 3 settings. First, specify the folder onto your GPS device, where the GGZ files are stored. Typically this is Garmin GGZ. Second, you need to specify the POI folder. Typically this is Garmin POI. On Windows systems you also need to specify the GPS Babel folder. To make life easier, check the Create Script box, and give the script a name. At last you need to specify the location of the geocachevisits.txt file located on your GPS, typically Garmin geocachevisits.txt. To enable spoiler transmission to your GPS, you also have to set the Garmin root folder. That's it, you now have successfully installed CCM. To learn more about CCM, see my other CCM related videos. Thanks for watching this video. Leave a thumbs up if you liked it or post a comment.